Hello everyone, I am Venkat Sai Ganesh. I am here to give a book review. The book I read last week was One Piece, which is an Japanese fictional novel published in Japan, written by Ishida Oda, uh, which was published by Shishue's Shonen Jump Publications, which was first published in 22nd July 1997. The story revolves around a boy named Monkey D. Luffy. Luffy, uh, he want to become a pirate king. Before going to the review, we need to know about some characters in the story. The first one was Monkey D. Luffy, we already know, and the second one was the former pirate king, Gold D. Roger. The Gold D. Roger is a former pirate king, was caught by the Marines Navy. Uh, he was before his execution. He started a pirate era in which he said to everyone that he has a treasure named One Piece. If you want it, go and get it. So every single person in that world started setting sail for getting One Piece, the treasure. So our main characters also set sails for the treasure named One Piece. So the whole in this story there was given that our Luffy has eaten a devil fruit which gives him power of rubber, where his body becomes a rubber. Like that, each character has eaten a different devil fruit, gives different power. And in this manga, there was no such uneven characters or no useless characters in it. Everything is defined. I can say that there are no fillers or uneven pages or something. Every character has some meaning in it. Luffy forms a crew and sets sails to get One Piece, and he encounters so many things like that. Like they are pirates, they are also navy. Like pirates are increasing, navy has started some powerful people under navy. Some pirates are working under navy. Those pirates are called Shishubukais. There are 10 Shishubukais. Shishubukais in English is known as warlords. There are 10 warlords which are working under navy, and the top 5 pirates who are strongest is known as Yonkos. In the top 5, the former pirate king Gold Roger is dead. These two are balanced, and there are other pirates, great pirates like Whitebeard, Big Mom. There are so many pirates. These are to make the balance between pirate world and navy world. To make the balance between pirates and navies, the main villain in this manga was Blackbeard. His character was lately introduced. Now about this manga, it was the latest edition. The latest edition is Luffy fights against Kaido. Kaido is the strongest creature in the world, and he lost, and he was prisoned by Kaido because Luffy's power was amazing, impressed Kaido, so he prisoned Luffy. This and mm, about there are nothing much to give. This all the story revolves around the kid Luffy. That's all. Thank you.